How to change voice speech in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily change your voice speech in CapCut. So it's a pretty simple process. So first thing what I will be doing is, you can either create a new project or you can also use any template videos or previous videos that you used. So in this example, I'll simply use any one of these videos. So let's say I want to use this video over here. So for now, I'll simply play the video's sound. As you can see, the sound is coming. So for now, I'll simply delete other videos so that the video will be short. So next thing what you want to do is just select the video and simply scroll the right all the way to right until you find the option that is extract audio. So just select it, and as you can see, my audio has been extracted from the video. Now all you have to do is just select the particular audio in which you want to change the voice speech into. Now simply scroll all the way to right from the bottom navigation bar and simply select this option that is audio effect. So once you select this option, this voice character, you can imitate the voice of different characters. So you might as well require a premium version of CapCut for that. So let me just quickly show you any one of these. So as you can see now, to increase or decrease the voice pitch, you can just tap on that particular voice character or voice option, and you can simply increase or decrease the pitch from over here, just like that. And once you're satisfied, just click on done and just click on export, and just like that, you have successfully changed your voice pitch in CapCut. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.